actually, hindi ko pa talaga siya masyadong naiisip and hindi pa ko siya masyadong na-visualize kung ano ba talaga, pagdating namin na Thailand, kung ano ba talaga ang mangyayari sa amin. But for SEA Games, super excited ako and willing to commit talaga and ready to accept the challenge.
Gano'n na siguro kalaking bagay na yung since last year pa lang magkakasama na kayo, nagko-compete sa Asian tournaments, ganyan. Gano'n kalaking bagay siya papunta dito, yung nabuo nyo na since last year pa?
Siguro kasi malaking bagay na nakasama namin sila na games. Well, in preparation-wise, ayun ulit kami sa 2 days kompleto bago mag-competition. Pero yung tiwala kasi ng bawat isa, tapos yung will to win, yung heart na meron yung bawat isa, hindi doon hindi matutumbasan ng kahit sino man. So, malaking tulong yung mga naging tournaments namin kasi nakita din namin yung mga kaya namin, hindi kaya namin, and pagbalik ng mga training, aayusin na lang, i-improve na lang yung mga nakita namin, mga mali namin.
Ayun, Angel, mas bata kumbaga yung national team ngayon, lalo na strikers. Alam yung feeling na kumbaga mas young and mas bago na yung energy kumbaga ng national team ngayon in entering the SEA Games?
Well, hindi naman sa mas bata yung mga bata. Mas bata ngayon yung mga players sa SEA Games. Pero siguro it's an advantage din for us kasi galing kami halos lahat na may naglalaro with pride. So I think this is another level of pride kasi syempre dala-dala namin lahat ng mga kababayan namin, buong Pilipinas. So kahit mga bata, siguro mga maglalaro sa SEA Games, ma-expect nyo na mag-push talaga sila ng todo-todo and iti-try talaga namin yung best namin mag-perform and to also showcase kung anong mga kaya namin para sa mga Pilipino. Kasi kaya din namin kinuha itong responsibility na to para ipakita na may kaya din kami as a Filipino.
Super excited po since, yun nga, kakabalik mo lang ako and excited na po ako na i-apply ko ano po yung mga natutunan ko sa Japan and ma-experience po yung first ever SEA Games.
Ano siguro yung pinaka-nabago sa'yo ng Japan?
Ano po, siguro marami naman po and ayun, super na ano talaga ako dun, na hubog talaga yung as a player po.
Gano'n lang siguro kalaki yung chemistry na nabuo nyo kasi since last year pa magkakasama na kayo going dito sa SEA Games.
Malaking bagay po talaga yung chemistry and I think naging mas buo po kami as a team and po, very excited na po kami to play sa SEA.
Ayun, medyo matagal na syempre walang medal. Kumbaga, ano lang siguro yung aasahan sa inyo dito sa SEA Games?
May bibigay lang po talaga namin yung best namin sa mga games and ayun po, sana po supportahan pa rin kami. Ano nangyari?
Alaysa, saan ka pa tumibay siguro as a player? Anong skill mo yung nahasa talaga sa time mo sa Japan? So,
I think yung blocking po and yun nga, siguro kasi na pinagtuunan ko kasi talaga ng pansin since yung role ko dun is maging doubles ako, so yun.
I think every SEA Games I've experienced parating may challenge talaga. We're going up against teams that, again, paulit-ulit natin sinasabi that have had time to prepare for this because we know naman when SEA Games will happen, it's every 2 years. But it doesn't change the fact that the girls, the team, the coaches, we work hard every day to do what we can despite whatever is happening. So, yeah, no matter what happens, lahat ng pwede namin ibuo sa court, gagawin talaga namin.
Gia, siguro sa'yo gano'n lang kalaking bagay yun. Since last year, nagko-compete na kayo na magkakasama nung core ng Alas.
Yeah. Syempre, that's building experience as a team. Ever since the Alas program started last year, the SEA Games was already in the timeline. It's part of the plan. Actually, we just keep adding to the plans that we have in the long run. We also have the 2029 World Championships coming up. So, every tournament, every training camp, every kahit local training day that we spend, it's one step closer to being the team that we want to be. So we want to whatever level we reach, we want to give our best talaga sa tournament na to. Especially the SEA Games is very important to the Philippines.
Gano'ng kalaking tulong na lang yung mga na-achieve nyo sa mga past tournaments para at least yung confidence nyo papasok ng SEA Games medyo mataas na rin?
Well, we've gone up against some of the teams that we're going to play against this SEA Games. So, may confidence kami in that. May familiarity din kami with each other kasi last year pa kami naglalaro as a team. So, the system is there. It's just, I guess, compared to last year's ABC, now we only have really 3 days to prepare and the whole tournament to make in-game adjustments. This time around, we've had 2 seasons of being Alas Pilipinas. But yes, we do wish that we've had more time to prepare for this. But nevertheless, yung communication, yung familiarity, we have that.
Kayo ba iniisip nyo rin kasi may mga teams na medyo may mga players na mawawala like sa Vietnam. So medyo may advantage ba yun sa tingin nyo para sa inyo kung sakaling mag-crossover?
I think there is some advantage but at the same time, they are a pool. Same way as us na pag may isang mawala, there's someone else ready to step up. Technically, we're only going to play 4 games for this tournament. So yung best of that country at that moment will be on the court and we have to be ready to play against that. So regardless if may mga mawala, regardless if may mga bago matagdag, ganun din yung tingin nila sa amin.